Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed our 10.25-inch Android screen in a BMW X5 E70 with the CCC connection. So this X5 came with factory camera, but the factory camera, the resolution was not that good and it was getting fuzzy. So we installed our OEM fit backup camera to get better resolution, so customer can switch between factory camera and aftermarket camera as well. So right now you can see our 10.25-inch screen installed in this BMW, and I can use the iDrive knob, and that's ID6 menu by going to reverse, screen shifts to backup camera. As you can see, the sensors are activated to front and back. And here we can go to video. Apps are all here. Google Map, Waze, or any other map that you want to install, it's here. That's the information from the car. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. Or you can go to our website 4x4shop.ca and order these units. And I can go back to factory part. That's the factory backup camera. So as you can see, the resolution is not that good. That's comparing two backup cameras, factory and aftermarket. Thank you and have a great day.